Oh my god. This guy is no matter for anything. The summer, winter, rainy, sunny, everything, he's gonna live like that. So this guy is, you see, I move over here like 3-4 years ago, but he still live like that. Hello, how are you?
Very fine, thank you.
Good, you good?
I need a new umbrella. This umbrella that is broken and this is breaking.
Oh, you need umbrella, new umbrella?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you get me an umbrella?
So one day I'm gonna give you a brand new umbrella.
Okay,
But
please.
today is every store is closed.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you can then.
Yeah, oh my god. You good? You not too cold?
No, I'm alright.
You alright?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna give you $5.
Okay, thank you, my friend.
Uh-huh. You remember me now?
Yes.
I give you money time before,
Yes.
a lot of money.
What's your name again?
Huh? Lawson. My name is Lawson.
Losso.
Yeah, yeah.
Losso.
Yeah, Lawson, yeah.
Losso, and I'm James.
Jim, oh my god.
Okay. Losso.
Yeah,
Yes, Losso. I remember now. Losso.
yeah, you know. I was see you long things, you know, but I moved over here like 3-4 years ago. You still live over here.
Yes.
Yeah, but this sometimes, you know, this today example, like it's too much raining. Yeah,
Can I ask you what country you're from?
I'm from Tibet.
Tibet. So
Yeah,
Losso is
Tibet.
a Tibetan name.
Huh?
So Losso is a Tibet name?
No, Lawson is my personal name. Tibet is the country name.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Losso is in your language.
Lawson is my name. My name.
Okay,
Yeah,
Losso.
yeah. Did you eat already?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Losso.
You're welcome, no problem.
Okay, so when you can get me an umbrella, please.
Okay. One day I'm gonna. Today is, you know, it's
Yeah,
too.
today
Yeah, it's too late, you know.
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow I will see there. If I, you know, I go tomorrow is, you know, it's. So it's not too much rainy. I'm gonna go outside buy for something umbrella.
Okay.
Oh, this umbrella is broken. Oh my god.
Yeah. This one is
Oh my
really
God.
important.
Oh. What do you eat today?
Oh, I ate chicken and rice and bread and vegetables.
Oh, okay. So you say you eat over it?
Yes, I'm good.
Oh,
Losso.
okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye, brother.
Okay, see you.
See you soon. Okay, see you. I see you again.
Okay, see you later.
See you later. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Losso. A big umbrella. If you get an umbrella, get a big one.
That's very big.
Yeah, big one.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll try. So maybe I can't find umbrella here. So I'm gonna buy for umbrella for this store. This guy is too much raining. He don't have house. He don't have nothing. So I'm gonna buy for umbrella over here. They have umbrella. It's good. So I'm gonna buy over here. Give to one here. It's very good there. So one store is not closed. So I'm gonna buy for him umbrella. So this is the big one. The store have only this one. I know this today is all day it's gonna rainy. It's tomorrow all day it's gonna rainy. So he have no house. He have nothing. So he live like the street. The long things go. I was told before. So I'm gonna give him umbrella, and I'm gonna give you some little more money. So you will see that. Thank you for watching. Oh, my friend, you're lucky. Store is not closed, but I buy for the big one.
Yes.
This is the most big one. The store they have. So I'm gonna buy for you this one.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. No problem. Is it okay?
It looks good. Let me
This looks good. You try open. Oh, they have two the seal. I think it's good. Yeah, okay.
It is good.
Oh, it's much better. It's much better, you know.
Very good, thank you.
It's much better now?
Yes, yes, thank you. This is good.
It's good?
Yes, thank you, my friend.
Uh-huh. You're welcome. No problem, man.
Also,
Uh-huh. You're welcome.
okay, good.
Okay, my friend. And you and me.
All right. Oh, it's neat.
Yeah, it's a little small, you know.
Small screen, but neat.
Huh?
A small screen, but it's neat.
Yeah. You're right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I take a video of you and me.
Yeah.
You're my best friend.
Okay.
So
Hello.
yeah. I see you all every day. I coming over here. I'm so sorry.
Okay, good.
No matter you're something in the summer, it's too hot.
Yeah.
You still live there. Something it's winter, snow, too cold. You
Okay.
still live there.
Yeah.
I was live over here like 7 years ago. But I saw you like all the things you see over there.
Yeah.
So sometimes I'm so sorry, you know.
Yeah.
So everybody is all we are the same human, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry, but you live like that. So
Well, this is my
today,
dedication.
you know there, you know, I give you many things. I give you money, you know.
Yes.
So I give you right now. I give you money.
Yes.
So now I'm gonna give you I'm gonna give you like $100.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So
When you get the
you know that I give you a lot of money
Yeah.
before.
Okay.
So today I'm gonna give you $100 because it's really too much raining. You know?
I know.
Yeah. So can you hold 1 minute?
Yeah. It's going on all over the world.
Yeah.
This rain.
Hey,
Whoops.
this camera
Can you
is not
tighten
good.
it? You know, like
Yeah.
do something to make it tight so it doesn't.
Hello. Yes, sir, brother.
You
So
fixed it?
no, yeah, I fix over it. So now I'm gonna give you another for $100.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So
Thank
this
you
is
very
your use. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So sometimes I'm coming over here. I buy for food, something, you know. I give you $100. You know?
Okay.
You good?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So winter is too cold.
Oh,
So now it's winter is coming soon, you know.
I know.
Yeah. So okay, good luck, man, brother.
Okay, my friend.
Okay.
Okay.
You're welcome, man. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. So
Okay.
too much raining now.
I'll see you later. On
Okay. See you later.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, bye bye. So all over the people. So I'm gonna give you a hand for like $100 today, and I give you first of all I give like $20, and then the last one I give you like $100. So I'll give him $120. So he is, you know, societies no matter so the raining. Today is too much raining, so all day. So tomorrow it's gonna rain again. It's gonna all day. So yes, it's like that, you know. We are same human being, you know. Everywhere is seven like a billion people. We are same human being, no matter rich people, poor people, but we are same human being, you know. We help each other, you know what I mean? So thank you so all over the watching my video. Okay, so I'm in the home right now. So change my clothes. It's too much raining outside today. Today is all day. It's gonna raining. It's not today. Tomorrow also. Tomorrow all day it's gonna raining. So this guy he have no house. So he live in the street. I saw him before, like when I moved here like 5 or 6 years ago. But he still live over there. But this guy I don't know what's he wrong, but he know. So he bring a lot of garbage in his plate, the plate. So I'm so sorry, but we are so all over the people, you know, 7 billion people. We are same human being, you know. So no matter he is one of the human being, you know. So I'm really sorry. No matter, so all over the world they have a lot of rich people, so they have a lot of poor people like that. please, rich people try to help the poor people. Please, that's my message. So one day we will die for everyone. No matter the rich people, you cannot live like 1,000 years. So your life is not 1,000 years, not like 300 years, not 400 years. Everybody will die for below 100. So before you die, you have money, but you have help some money for the poor people. That's the message, please. So that's it. Thank you all over the people watching my video. Please, if you like my video, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.